am Jean-Yves Lazennec. I am an orthopedic surgeon. Since the beginning of this adventure of viscoelastic disc replacement, I am very interested in cervical and lumbar disc implantation. Another topic for me is important: hip-spine relationship and sagittal balance. This webinar is about the everyday life experience we have with viscoelastic disc replacement. My colleague, Biren Dezay and Patrick Tropiano will explain their point of view, their experience for cervical spine and lumbar spine. I shall explain some detail regarding the interface between bone and implant. I think viscoelastic disc replacement is a very open topic, and this webinar is devoted to surgeons doing disc replacement, of course, but also surgeons interested in beginning their experience. So we are very excited, waiting for you 15th of March. This webinar will be very interesting to share with you our experience, and we hope to have your feedback regarding your personal experience.